In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Pocket Option. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to go to the Finance in the left-hand side menu and go to the Withdrawal. But before you will withdraw money from Pocket Option, keep in mind that withdrawal process becomes available after you deposit on your account. So after you will make the first deposit on Pocket Option, then you will be able to withdraw money, and in this case Bitcoin, from your account. So when you go to the withdrawal page, you will see this kind of menu. You will see your balance in the top. The minimum withdrawal amount will be 10 USD, so in this case 10 USD worth Bitcoin. And in the payment method, you need to scroll this down and choose Bitcoin. Then you need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address in the bottom, and you need to enter the amount in dollars, how much you want to withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet address. Then click on continue button and you will finalize the payment. The payments typically needs from 1 to 3 business days, so you need to wait this period of time and you will receive your Bitcoin on your wallet address. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.